Cars are meant for driving full.
People share rides all the time, and there are lots of good reasons to share more rides more often. Here are some of those reasons and tips on making ride sharing easy and fun. Save money by sharing the cost of gas and other travel expenses. Splitting costs with just one other person is like paying half price for your gas. The more people you share with, the more you save, while riding with others means your car, if you have one, lasts longer with fewer repairs. The whole community saves too, since ride sharing equals less traffic and less wear and tear on the roads. Some people share rides simply by taking turns driving. Being a passenger means you can get where you need to go while having more time to get ready, work, read, or just relax. If you're a parent, setting up carpooling with other parents and caregivers you trust means knowing your kids will get to where they need to go. Meanwhile, you get more precious time for yourself. Ride sharing saves more than just time and money. It uses less fossil fuel and contributes less to both local air pollution and to global warming. Ride sharing is a great way to get to know your community better and to help build a stronger one. Get to know your neighbors and make connections with co-workers and others who are traveling your way. Look for new opportunities to share rides, and who knows who you might meet.
I'm so glad this worked out.
Me too.
There are many ways to find people with whom to share rides. A great place to start is to simply ask a neighbor or coworker if they want to carpool or share a ride. Use a newsletter, bulletin board, or email list to look for other people interested in sharing rides. Try finding or posting a ride on Finger Lakes Rideshare, an online ride matching platform connected to the 511NY statewide network. Get the word out, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Ask a supervisor or manager, an organizer of your community group or faith community, or a leader of your child's activity group to help you find a ride or to offer to give others a ride. Make clear arrangements before your trip, including pickup and drop-off times and locations, how long the driver should wait for someone, and how you will share costs.
Put the word out and set up a new shared ride.
Save time.
Save money.
Go green.
Build community.
Take charge of your transportation. For more information or tips, contact Way to Go at Cornell Cooperative Extension of Tompkins County.